we'll guide you through how to use Netlify Drop to quickly deploy a website. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your web browser and go to the Netlify website. Make sure you're logged into your account. If you don't have one, you'll need to sign up first. It's quick and easy. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself on the dashboard. From here, it's super simple. Look for the Sites tab at the top of the page and click on it. You'll see a big green button that says New Site from Git. But for Netlify Drop, what you need is to simply drag and drop your site folder. So, open up your File Explorer and locate the folder containing your website files. This folder should include your HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and any other assets your site needs. Drag this folder directly onto the Netlify dashboard. You'll see a designated area that says Drop your site folder here. As soon as you drop the folder, Netlify will start processing your files. You don't need to do anything else. It's all automated. In just a few moments, your site will be live. You'll get a default domain name from Netlify, which you can customize later if you wish. You'll also see a link that takes you directly to your new live site. It's as simple as that. Using Netlify Drop is a fantastic way to deploy static sites quickly without dealing with complex setups. Don't forget you can manage your site settings and see visitor analytics directly from the Netlify dashboard. If you need to update your site, just drag and drop the updated folder again, and Netlify will handle the rest. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.